2004 Toyota Sequoia 4x4, one owner with 99,400 miles. Yes, a Toyota Sequoia 4x4 with under 100,000 miles. Timing belt and water pump have been done. Brand new Cooper tires. Tow package. Everything works. Rear power window works. Moonroof works. In remarkable condition. Moonroof is fine. There's the Carfax report, one owner, no accidents, 4-wheel drive, rear power window works, moonroof works, power antenna works. Original VIN stickers on every body panel. Needs nothing cosmetically or mechanically. (2004) Toyota Sequoia 4x4, one owner with 99,400 original miles.